We're back on the farm. We got here yesterday, but in all the excitement, I forgot to do any filming. We got here and we brought some kitchen units, which you'll see behind us. Some of the stuff over on that side of the kitchen we're going to be taking out. Dad was going to be doing the chimney breast, but I think he's having second thoughts on that, so we might be putting a door in instead tomorrow. Anyway, all the stuff that we've been living, you know, because when we come here we camp, basically we're roughing it. It's all been all over there, so I said to Tina, if we bring a couple of units over, put them together, put them on this side of the kitchen out of the way, that'll be all good. So that's what we did. So last night we was building cabinets, units. They're not fixed down or anything, but it looks very nice. It's a lovely kitchen from IKEA. But yeah, that'll see us right for a few months or however long it takes. And tomorrow Dad's turning up and we're probably going to be putting the new front door in over there and possibly a window. And then we've got the window in the office and then the windows out. We've got 3 windows out the back to change. One of the windows isn't ready yet because we went to pick up the window safe. We thought we was picking up 3 windows, we picked up 4. But they've still got 1 window that they've were out of stock or they've not made it yet, whatever. So we've got to go and get that. But we've got enough to keep us quiet. And yeah, so the weather's pretty miserable. Well, it's not miserable, it's, the sun's been out, but there's been a bit of a bitter wind. And I think the forecast for next week, it looks pretty chilly. So we're going to have to get our winter woolies out and wrap up warm. I'll get some drone footage in this video, show you all the autumn colours where all the trees are going lovely and golden. Oh yeah. Right, so without further ado, I'll spin to tomorrow and we'll catch up with what Dad's doing. We got a new door! Lovely jubbly. Watch this. Good action. Oh, lovely. Marvellous. Soundproof? No, you can hear the traffic, but that's because there's no window in that room. They did have a bit of a job with this door. They couldn't open the doors in the frame when it was out in the garage, and it was locked in place, so they had to take the doors off with a crowbar, which was a bit naughty. But we had to take the door apart to get to the lock because the lock had jiggled itself round. So I managed to get a little screwdriver in there, flick the tab back up and it unlocked it, and then it was good to go. So that one was a bit of a nightmare, but Dad got it all done. Lovely jubbly. We got this window in. I'll just show you over here. Ta-da-da! Look at this one. Lovely jubbly. It's the wide world. Close it up. Good thing about French windows, they open inwards, so easy to clean. Nice one. So Tina's taken Dad up to the Brico to get some more materials for the window in Tina's office. And because he did this window yesterday, he knows how they go. We've been able to leave the framework on that holds the shutters in place. So we've just got to put a little tab on the bottom. The top tab stays there, but the bottom tab was on the old frame. So that's had to come out. But Dad's going to have a look for some brackets just to hold the shutters. Obviously it holds it at the top, but just to hold it on the bottom, and get some other materials and get that window done. There's a couple of little bits on the door so that I can bump over it in the wheelchair without squashing the aluminium down, because there's like an aluminium runner along the bottom. We was going to put concrete up to it, but there's not a lot of clearance under the door. So I said, how about packing the channel out with some wood, and then it's not going to go anywhere. So that's the plan for that. So they're off getting materials, and I'll just show you in the office where the window is being installed. So that's pretty much it for this visit. We've got quite a bit done. Tina and me have built the units just so that she can keep things a bit tidier. Dad's been out, he's got the front door in, the French doors, and it's going to be 2 windows time he's finished today. So that's progress. So we've got 3 windows out the back. One we haven't collected yet because it's not ready. So we've got a window for the bedroom and a window for the bathroom. I assume we're going to be doing those on Dad's next visit, but we don't want to tire him out too much. But we're very grateful for his help, and yeah, so we shall take it from there. We're travelling back tomorrow, and not quite sure when we're going to be back. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up, that all helps. Brings our videos up in the searches for people to see. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we like subscribers, and all my subscribers at the moment we're very thankful for. And hit the bell notification button, you'll be notified of any new uploads we do, and comment below. We always like comments, and I try to reply to them as much as I can. If I don't reply to your comments straight away, it's because we're over here and we've got quite limited internet when we're over here. We've got the 4G Airbox from Orange, and although it's 25 gig a month allowance, we do get through it quite quick. So I've quite often wait till I get back to the house on unlimited internet for things like commenting and all that kind of thing. So I do reply to comments, so let's see your comments below. And from me, and there's nobody else here, it's bye for now!